And good morning, everybody. This is Sherman Ray, and this is Leadership in Action. Guess what today is, guys? That's right. It's December 2nd, and it is time for the Zappos Las Vegas Rock and Roll Marathon. It's the end of a long road, you guys. I'll tell you, we started this taping back in March, I believe it was, of 2012, and it is now December. And I'll tell you, and if you've been keeping track of us, you know there's been huge differences in what we look like, how we feel, the time, the seasons. I mean, it went from summertime to now it's wintertime. And we're ready for the race, you guys. I've got my shirt on. Let me show you the back of it. Can you see the back of it there? Okay. You can see the back of my shirt now. This is the actual official jersey that they give you when you sign up to be a part of the race and everything else. This morning, it's a Sunday morning right now. The race actually starts at about 3 o'clock. And it's about, gosh, a little after 8 o'clock right now. So I'm just getting up and getting going and stuff like that, getting motivated. But the race is going to start about 3 o'clock, and we are totally excited about going and running this 26.2 mile race. I'll tell you, folks, there's been a lot of things that have been going on in the last, in the last couple of months that have really kind of stood in the way of me getting to this race. Literally 2 weeks ago, I pulled a calf muscle and have not run in 2 weeks. I've gained probably 5-6 pounds because I haven't run. Literally a week ago, I got a cold. Literally, the flu has been going around, and I caught a flu bug, and I thought, oh my gosh, you know, what else can fly at me? And my shirt, that I've got a jersey that we're going to be wearing, and it's literally got logos all over it with business owners who have said, hey, we believe in what you're doing. Business owners who have said, hey, Sherman, I believe in what you're doing, and so they paid to have their logos, just like this shirt, but it's a white shirt. They've had their logos put on my shirt, and literally I gave that shirt to the printers, and the printer didn't give me that shirt back until like last night, at like 8 o'clock last night. It was, oh, I'll tell you, we were going crazy because there's always, and I'll tell you, there's a lesson in this. There's always obstacles to you getting to a great breakthrough. I mean, a huge breakthrough in your life. And you as a leader have got to keep pushing through. You got to keep pushing through, because if something is worth having, it's worth fighting for. And this race has really been something worth fighting for. I'll tell you, we're going to have so many things that we're going to talk about that have been like an offshoot of this race, and the things that are really going to come to fruition because of just this one tiny act that we're doing here. But let it be a lesson to you as leaders, as people who are moving forward, as entrepreneurs, that you've got to do something extraordinary or extraordinary. We did a video on that. You've got to do something extraordinary in order to lead people to the next level. Okay? Because they're not going to follow just a regular Joe who's just like them. They want to follow somebody who's extraordinary, a George Washington, an Abraham Lincoln, okay? And even sometimes a Sherman Ray. Anyways, you guys, I got to get ready for the race. Jets are flying. Everybody's getting excited. I will see you on the other side of this telecast on this afternoon. After I shave off this beard, I'll shave off the hair. I'll come back to you. Wow, this has been cool. This has been Sherman Ray. This has been Leadership in Action. If you'd like some more information on me or anything that we're doing with the Diversity Networking Group, or even the new Diversity Networking Group, and we'll be talking all about that too, I'd like you to go to my website, which is www.shermanray.com, or you can go to redlettermedia.net, find out all about what we're doing. It's exciting. I want to see you there, folks. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.